How to use Plus500? To effectively use Plus500, begin by opening an account, verifying your identity, and funding it with a minimum deposit of $100. Navigate the platform, explore the available trading instruments, including CFDs on stocks, Forex, commodities, and more, and utilize the tools provided for market analysis and order execution. Consider practicing with a demo account before trading with real funds to gain familiarity with the platform and trading strategies. Additionally, stay informed about economic events and stock market holidays to better manage your positions and avoid unnecessary disruptions. If you need more information, please contact Plus500. You can chat with Plus500 online, talk to them directly on a call, and communicate via WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.